I consider myself as parang kumbaga the first audience ng nangyayari dito sa contest. Kasi nakikita ko po ang mga nangyayari backstage, nakakausap ko yung relatives, nakakausap ko yung mismong contestants. So doon pala I get to have a deeper understanding kung bakit sila sumasali. And not just the performance of the talents, but also the performance and the chemistry and camaraderie of our coaches. Kasi namamangha ako sa kanilang interaction na para talagang that in itself is already a show, di ba? Especially recognizing their individual strengths and talents.
Yes.
Pag nag-uusap-usap na sila at nagbalitaktakan at syempre pag dumating na yung part na nag-a-advise na sila doon sa mga talents, para sa akin ginto po yun. At makita po yun weekly is really something that I really would not pass on.